Hello guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and today I will be showing you how to make you a floor stand mirror, and it's going to be the new and improved version.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess, it's you.
Well guys, in the comment section down below, you all have been asking me how did I make my floor stand mirror, right? You asked me, can you buy it from somewhere? What do you need to make that mirror? You really want one for yourself because it will make it easier for you to do your hair. So guys, let me tell you this. When I first did the video, I had made that mirror a long time ago. It wasn't meant to be pretty. I told y'all that in the video. All right, guys, this is my mirror. You asked me, how did I make it? Where did I buy it from? You know, and things of that nature. In the previous video, I told you that this is Sally, and I can adjust my mirror up and down and use it to cut my hair, see the back of my hair, use clippers and things of that nature. And you guys actually loved it. You know, you asked me so many questions about my mirror. I told you that it is not pretty, wasn't meant to be pretty, but you know, it does the job. I made this mirror a while ago with a clothes hanger rack, and I just kept the poles and all of the things that went with the mirror. And I love my coffee, so I had my little coffee can. I said I'm gonna fill that up with something to brace it. And that's how I made the mirror. But because you guys wanted to know, that's my dog, don't mind him. Because you guys wanted to know how I made this mirror, I felt guilty about feeling like, was you all going to be able to find the parts or whatever? So I am going to show you a new, improved way that you can make your own floor mirror that adjusts, and you can use it to cut your hair or whatever you're going to do with it, okay? Guys, this is my wig stand, and when I was wearing wigs, I used my wig stand to, you know, make my wig, style the wig hair and everything like that. This is what it is, okay? And because I don't wear wigs anymore, I really don't need it for that purpose, but I didn't want to destroy it, you know, just to do what I'm about to show you. So I came up with this idea. I will remove the pole that comes with the wig stand. Everything is still attached. And the pole that I use to attach my mirror to, it slides right into the wig stand. And it still will adjust as tall or short as I need it to be. My son is like 6 feet, and he can still use this mirror. It can adjust to 6 feet or higher, and he still use the mirror, and there you go. You have a better stand here, and it's more sturdy, and it don't look like a jalopy. So of course, if he wanted to go higher, just make the legs come in a little bit more, and it will go, you know, as high as you need it to be. And that's the way I convert my wig stand to my mirror. If I want to do a wig or style something or make something requiring a wig head, I just unscrew the brace here, slip it out, and I will insert this. Okay, it can go low or it can go high. But guys, let's say you have an old tripod sitting around. Just tape a mirror or use an apparatus where you can slip it on and slip it off. Add that to your mirror, and this will be the perfect stand for your mirror. So if you have an old tripod stand, an old wig stand, an old camera stand, you can tape a mirror to it or use an apparatus or switch out the poles, and you will have the same thing that I have now. So guys, I have kept my promise to you guys. You left it in the comment section down below inquiring about my mirror, and this is the new improved version of how I did my mirror. So keep the questions coming, guys. Continue to watch the videos. You know I appreciate you. I love it when you leave the comments in the comment section down below. So continue to do that. Guys, thank you for watching, sharing, subscribing, hitting the notification bell. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing, and I appreciate you so much. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Let me know how your stand worked out for your mirror, and I will talk to you later. Mwah. I may as well put it back. I'm gonna go play with my hair. Be looking out for the next video, guys.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's